Hey, this is Lee from London in the UK. Just wanted to take a quick moment to share my experience with Daniel's Apex Seller course. So it really came at the perfect time for me personally. My Amazon business was growing, but yet I was struggling to keep on top of a lot of things. I didn't have good systems in place, or had systems in place, but they weren't as good as they could have been. So everything felt like a bit of a juggling act, as I'm sure many people can sort of relate to when their business grows. So yeah, life was a bit hectic before. The course, I have to say, is very simple to follow. It's laid out in modules, each one with a clear structure and path forward. Daniel's obviously a highly intelligent and knowledgeable guy. He's got great experience in the Amazon space. So what he talks about is incredibly high level. It's not difficult as such, but the content he gives, it kind of transcends in a way just a regular Amazon business. It's more like a life coach, a business coach, a mindset coach. So you're not just getting a standard kind of Amazon course with this. So yeah, you know, there's a lot of content to work through. To be honest, I'm still going through it months later, but it's a lot of it you can kind of come back to and sort of stop and figure out what you want to implement in your business at the time, and then when you're ready, move forwards. So yeah, and definitely I can say we've got better systems in place. I personally feel a lot more motivated and structured. The course and through Daniel's help, it's enabled me to hire several virtual assistants in areas that I definitely needed, so that I can focus on other areas and, you know, not be involved in every single thing. So I would highly recommend it. Daniel's a great guy. I've known him on and off for a while through various things, and he's definitely one of the most honest, down-to-earth and helpful guys in the Amazon and business space you're bound to meet. So if you've got any doubts, don't have any, go for it. You won't look back.